Here we will see private access modifier in Python. We can protect variables in the class by making them private. To make any variable private, just add 2 underscores as a prefix at the start of its name. For example, 2 underscore and then salary. Private members are accessible only within the class and cannot be accessed from the object of the class. If we try to access it, it will throw an error since we are trying to access a private variable that is hidden from the outside. Here we will see example. Here class employee is defined with constructor of 2 parameters. Here name data member is declared as public. So we have defined it as self.name equal to name, and we will declare salary as a private. So self.to underscore salary equal to salary. Now we will create object of this class employee as emp equal to employee, and we will pass parameter value. And if we try to access the salary variable to print, that is print salary equal to emp.to underscore salary, it will throw an error since we are trying to access a private variable which is hidden from the outside. To access a private variable outside the class, we will declare the private members inside a public method. That is, you can declare a public method inside the class which uses a private member and call the public method containing private member outside the class. Here we will see code. Here class employee is defined and constructor is defined with 2 parameters, name and salary. We will declare name as a public data member and salary as a private data member, and then we will define one method show salary which will print name and salary of the employee. Then we will create object of the class employee and we will call the public method emp.showSalary, which will give the output name and salary for the employee. It will print the values that we have passed as a constructor parameter while creating the object. Now we will try to execute this code. For this we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will define class employee, then we will define constructor. We will declare name as a public member, so self.name equal to name, and we will declare salary as a private member, so self.to underscore salary equal to salary. Then we will create object of this class emp equal to employee, and will pass values, and will print name and salary from that class. Then we will save this and we will try to execute this. It will print the name, but while printing the salary it will give error since we have defined name as a public and salary as a private. Now we will comment this, and inside the class we will define method, and here we will print name and salary. Here we will print self.name and salary as self.to underscore salary, and here we will call the method, so emp.showSalary, and we will execute this. It will print name and salary. That is, if we declare data member as a private, we have to call it in method, and we can call the method for displaying the value of private data member.